If you're a novice and lack knowledge, struggling to find a signal, yet aspire to profit from day trading, this clip was created especially for you.
It concludes like this. Victorious. This is my trading history. On Feb 10, 5 clubs entered. 4 won, 1 lost, netting a profit of 501 baht. On Valentine's, I traded 5 times, won 4, lost once. Net profit was 5,050 baht. It's historical data from 15th trading. Traded 6 times, won 5, drew 1, net profit of 4720. Few losses and draws. Use these strategies, you'll have a better chance of success. For capital, you can adjust it to your need.
Hi all, I'm Boss from Sornwinth. This video guides you on trading. Binary options for beginners. A script for signal detection. If you're new, this script can be a helpful tool. Use this script for instant trading and profit. How might it look? Let's examine the program. For friends here, the program will proceed. Those who haven't downloaded it yet, why wait? Apply for membership by clicking the link below the video. Download the app or use the mobile site. Choose what suits you best. You can trade from almost anywhere with the existing iOS platform. Trade in iPads, iPhones, Samsung S3, S24 online. Interested? Trade on Windows. Today I'll use the platform on Windows. As shown in this clip, it's also available for sharing. Trading scripts are key to save time. Apply them and see the results. Beginners often ask, why this specific broker? Many other brokers exist. Why not use them? We're using this one. From my experience, this broker is the most beginner-friendly. Quickly top up, swiftly withdraw money if you verify your identity correctly. Apply correctly using the link below. The process will be swift. Moreover, utilizing various indicators is straightforward for beginners. Simply put, this broker is ideal for beginners. It's normal to worry about security. Considering trading this way, are you accredited? Is it illegal? The broker's the answer. Regulatory agencies exist. The broker is regulated by Cyprus in Europe, thus it is considered to be operational. Under EU law, we may not be permitted to conduct business directly in your country. If anyone's traded with known cryptocurrencies, they'd understand. It originates from overseas. Although it may not be certified in your country, you can trade too, but managing risks is your duty. To generate profit, predict the asset's value, trade in the next minute or in 5 minutes. Price may rise or fall after you order. Consider an example. Let's say I have capital $100 that I'm investing. As desired, input $100 and I anticipate that the price will rise. If you anticipate an increase, press buy. Conversely, if you expect a decrease, you're selling. I presume the price will rise. I hit the buy button, then I wait. Give us a min to see results. If it's this way, it's on us. Made a profit of $85 and got back $100 in equity. Clearly, with a $100 investment, we could potentially earn an $85 profit. If property prices drop, input your capital here to calculate potential profit. Adjust as needed, then click buy. Wait a bit. If all goes well, we've won. Earn a profit of $85, get a cost return of $100. Here's how to profit. Binary options work thus. Let's explore key aspects for your benefit. Trading isn't just predicting market trends. Effective strategies are crucial. Here, I'll use a trading script for help. First, we set up the screen. Let's prepare a few more charts before we begin trading.
Trading strategies are key for success. They're more effective than random guesses. This will let you forecast future prices. I'll guide you on making modifications. Let's discuss screen elements, focusing on technique and strategy. In many industries, there are several classifications. Each has unique benefits. Now, I'll share a method. I believe it's simplest for beginners to comprehend and generate a profit. We're setting up screens now. You should see the current one. Look at the bottom left corner of the graph. This represents a graph and note, the bottom left corner is roughly here. Interpreting these graphs can be challenging for beginners. I would like to modify this graph format. Let's start with a candlestick, beginning at, see the bottom left of the program? There are about 5 squares grouped together. Hover mouse over top square. It shows it's a graph type. Click once and it will select a line. Just one click. You've chosen to switch to a candlestick chart. Please select option 2. Switch to candlestick format by clicking candlestick pattern option. Next, choose the basic candlestick they offer. This time, you should click. Select any part of the graph, but the selection window will vanish if you try this. Move the mouse, zoom in, see bars. I'll teach you this method. The 1-minute trading technique predicts the graph's trajectory in the next minute. We need to tweak the candlestick. You're seeing a similar bar. Tell time in 1-minute increments. Focus on the bottom left. In chart type menu, the second box may have a time frame set to 5 seconds. Hover your mouse over it. It shows it's a candlestick period. Press once to select a duration of 1 minute. The graph will adjust accordingly. Proceed as we select the devil. For better precision, deselect auto resize. Some may not choose it, that's fine. This option isn't selected. If some decide to tick the box, it's orange. We should remove it. Trading at 1-minute intervals. Ensure you check the time. If not exact, you might make an error or wrong trade. We have now finished setting up the graph. A 1-minute candlestick on a chart shows the price change of an asset in that 1 minute. See the progress bar in action. It's actively running now. This is the current time bar. Move your mouse downwards to see what's below. Follow straight down. Time is 18:38. It's a bar of current time is 18:38. The left-hand bar is green. It was the same at 18:37. Count backwards from 36 to 29, then alternate between each number. It's a proxy for changes in asset prices. Happened in just a minute. Color draws attention. Green evokes comfort, right? It's positive, right? It's green. Announcement soon. Closing bar price. When the minute ends, the price closes higher than its start. Let me elaborate. Assuming a new bar opens on this candlestick, it'll likely start here and proceed. Price fluctuates, settles here. Notice it closed higher, but consider a red bar. Consider this bar. It starts here. This is the open point. The bars here are closing, implying the closing price is below the opening one. The candlestick turns red. Its wick shows the estimated distance. Simple as that. This shows a 1-minute candlestick. How does it change within a minute? Next, we'll look at a bar sample. Notice the time indicator. A new bar appears every 30 seconds. The new stick's here, unwrapped. Can you see? We just saw it. It'll open here. If price drops below the opening point once open, the candlestick will be red. When it's high, I start running. If it exceeds, then it's green. Let's wait approximately 1 minute and see. This is the final 10 seconds. If you observe closely, you'll notice that the candlestick is now closing. The value is higher than the candle's opening. It'll conclude in the green, like this. The candlestick charts the price range. Simply, it records the occurring prices. Indeed, at that time, click the script link below the video to use the code. Once you click, the link will direct you to this webpage. It's a site for. Visit this webpage, you'll find the script at the bottom. Scroll down manually or press script on the right side if you can't find it. Look at the right side under on this page. Find script. Click it for guidance. Go to the script section. If you can't find the right sidebar, scroll down. Look at the top right corner. In the script, you'll find a copy button. Click on it to copy the code. Press this button to access all codes. No need to copy the entire code. Once the code is copied, you can navigate back to the IQ option script and locate the IQ option program. When you revisit IQ option, refer to the bottom left-hand sidebar as previously instructed. See a menu of options with squares or counters at the bottom. Press the second one once. Typically, a range of indicators can be utilized. Using the script, note there are multiple tabs at the top. If you opt for tab script, it will be accessible to you. Choose add script yourself from the menu to insert a script. Once you locate it, press once and erase all existing script. Use any method like select all, press key. Original script will vanish. Ensure to copy script before pasting. Press Ctrl+V to paste the recently copied code. The page will appear like this. If it does, then click on save. Click save to add the script. It won't be activated yet. IQ option only. Here's usage. Navigate to indicators tab again. Return to. Navigate to tab indicators and select the script topic. You will see the name. Click once on the Bollinger for the follow-up signal. The band follow-up signal has a dialog page for script creation. Typically, use it this way. No setup needed. Just use the default values. Then click apply. If you've signed up correctly, you should see. The next steps assume the script is installed on your IQ option account. We'll proceed with the method. Let's continue using the script. After the script has been installed, what we need to look for is a signal that indicates graph inversion means flipping it. Let's use a simple example to explain this. Watch the screen. The graph intersected the green line and continued. Either reverse your course or reach the red line, then adjust your direction accordingly. You need to find and use it to confirm the next step. It will revert as this step shows. The next bar flips. You just need a hammer. Exactly, a hammer. Let's look at each hammerhead point, whether it's up or down. What hammer do you seek? Consider this one. It implies you must buy low. Watch the hammer shape. Sell if it aligns with the white line. The hammer's head is down, creating an inverted image. With its head facing the white line, it's upside down. Ensure hammer's tip or handle doesn't cross red line. Note this red line. This red line is a signal. When seen, proceed to the next bar. Place a sell order at this bar. This is where you input the order. This example is a hammer which also signals a sell order. Take note. I need an inverted hammer. Color is irrelevant. Just need the head facing down. The shape looks like a reversed hammer resting on the white line. When the hammer's handle is on the white line and its head is under the red line, proceed to the next bar. With an order like this, you're sure to succeed. Now, let's examine the hammer at hand. Hammer purchase. It should be below the white line, including the handle. Place the hammer between white and green lines. This behavior shows you can order the next round now. You're meant to succeed, simple as that. For orders, think hammer. Specifically, its head. It's green. The hammer's head can be red. You can observe this hammer. The color is red, signifying a purchase order on the hammerhead under the white line. The handle of the hammer is evidently beneath the green line. Look out for something similar next. You can place a purchase order, and you will benefit in this way. For those who have recently registered, you might be pondering whether it's necessary to deposit money immediately or not. If you're still uncertain about something like this, you can utilize the funds from the demo account to experiment with placing orders first. Notice in the top right corner here, if it's a demo account, the funds will be displayed in orange. If you attempt to click, a window will appear providing an option to toggle between the demo and the real account. You can initially try using the practice account. The money in the practice account will be displayed in orange. If you decide to switch to the real account, it will alert you when you are transitioning to the real account. The funds will be displayed in green, as shown. For those currently utilizing a real account without any funds, simply select the demo account option. You can continue trading with an orange balance. If you've traded until the balance is depleted, you can top up. Simply click on Top Up here. You can top up your practice account balance. After clicking, a confirmation request will appear. This is a practice account. With my method, it's crucial to place orders promptly. It will activate immediately as a new candle forms. If you observe the time, it's precisely when the final 30 seconds conclude. I will initiate the order immediately. However, if you attempt to place an order now, you'll notice that some individuals will have to click confirm just once. This single confirmation click may prevent you from getting the order at the correct price. In this instance, if I'm required to wait to click confirm, I won't be able to place the order at the very moment the candle price opens. We might miss optimal pricing. We can bypass steps. In this instance, I would advise a swift approach. My recommendation would be to set it up as follows. Click on your own profile picture, though some people may not have one yet. There will be a white avatar icon. Click on it once, then navigate to the settings menu. Click once. Now, observe the left sidebar. Find the trading topic and click on it once. Once selected, you will see a settings option that reads Open Position Without Confirmation. Next to it, you'll find the Close Position and Sell option, which doesn't require confirmation. Select the binary buy option, then click on the binary sell option, as binary trading involves both actions. Purchase and sale orders are covered. No further confirmations with this option. Just a single click is required. Choosing the wrong trade type can be an issue. For practice accounts, keep consistency with the same settings. Like this, select the color orange for both, use the same settings. For both purchase and sale orders, once completed, click the X in the top left corner to close this window. While waiting for a signal from a single asset, you might experience some delay. Feel free to explore other assets in the meantime. Notice the top left corner. You'll see the words IQ option, correct? Move your mouse slightly. You'll see a plus sign to open a new asset. In another instance, you may come across an asset status indicating that it's not yet available for trading. You can select a new asset here by clicking to open it. From the left menu, choose Option. Then, choose the binary menu. Following this, select an asset that could yield a profit within a minute. Choose from over-the-counter, OTC, or regular market. Both options are accessible. The Bollinger technique remains the same. What level of profit are you aiming for? The choice is yours. As for the capital to be utilized can be adjusted where it states amount. In this section, since this is a demo account, you can input any sum. I'll enter about $1,000. For now, it's about dollars. Let's proceed to examine an example of the timing for placing an order. This is an example of a confirmation signal observed in the last 30 seconds before closing. We need to determine whether it's a hammer or not. A hammer shape like this is regarded as a sell signal. An inverted hammer signifies sell right at the 30-second mark. Afterwards, await the outcome. When the candle concludes in this manner, you're victorious. Let's proceed to the next signal. Currently, at 35 seconds, this is a bullish hammer signal. An arrow is provided to help identify the signal. It's advisable to buy immediately at the 30-second mark. Then, as usual, wait for 1 minute. I entered the buying process a bit late here. I might not get the opening price. This might result in a loss. However, let's await the outcome first. Alright, I was lucky this time. The price shifted a lot, so I won. In some cases, if the order isn't placed in time and the candle shows little movement, you might lose. Let's proceed to the next example. This one is particularly intriguing. The arrow signal is already displayed, indicating a bullish hammer. Observing the general trend, it should ideally reverse. However, the signal from the script seems to have vanished or is intermittently flickering. If you're certain it's accurate, you can place a purchase order at 30 seconds. Without waiting for the cue from the script, See, even without the guidance from the script, you can still succeed. That's why I instruct you. To understand signals, learn to read trends. Arrow signals from the trading script are key. These are merely aids for beginners. Your personal experience in interpreting trends and various chart patterns is crucial. This helps you trade with more precision. In this example, the arrow signal is shown accurately. Place a sell order as the signal indicates an inverted hammer. It would be best to sell at the 30-second mark as follows. Then wait 1 minute for the result. This one succeeds by following the direction of the arrow. Here's another example of an arrow signal. The preceding candle represents a bullish hammer. Order at the 30-second mark. Then, as usual, wait for the result. These are all examples of the signals you will encounter. Try practicing them.
We've covered trading techniques for beginners and script use. To help beginners identify the hammer signal, I've provided the script, an assistant conveying this message. A hammer signal may emerge, but it's not always the case. The sample's gone. Now rely on experience. Further training will be on real tasks. The graph shows a possible reversal, hinting at upcoming trading. Crucial is managing your portfolio and overseeing your investments. Many traders have discussed this. I suggest you search for it. See an example of capital management as vital as trading strategies. Investment should be based on gained knowledge and training experience. In order to comprehend the market and place orders with greater precision, learning doesn't stop here. You can follow other traders. Enhance your knowledge, but don't hesitate to begin. Apply and open an account. Trading isn't limited to certain techniques. Use any method you prefer. Start trading instantly with this script I've made for you. Go ahead, try the script. Let's find any issues. Finally, I hope everyone finds joy in trading and truly profits from day trading. See you again in the next clip.